Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how we can pop out a comment to highlight it using Shotcut. Well, when you run a channel on any platform like YouTube, Dailymotion, Vimeo, etc., people show their interest in the contents you create and interact either to share their opinion or asking a question. And you do want to highlight the comment to your audience so that they can also read it while you are sharing or answering it. Well, to pop out a comment to highlight it, you first need to take an image of the comment. And for the purpose of example, I'm using snipping tool to take an image of the comment and save it. Here I have already brought the video and comment image to the playlist and added the video to the timeline. Now split the video where you want to show the comment and drag the comment image after adding a new video track to the timeline. Then adjust it and split the comment image and video accordingly. Now select the image and click on the plus sign after going to the filters tab and select a filter named size, position and rotate. Here click on preset and select slow zoom in and hold left option. Now go to the keyframes tab and drag the beginning animation point to 0, and if it triggers the keyframe track automatically, just select the key points and delete them. Then go back to the timeline and resize the comment image and place it exactly on top of the comment. Now it seems exactly on top of the comment. Then select the image and go back to the keyframes tab and drag the ending animation point to the beginning and see how it looks. Well, it looks pretty fine. And this is how you can pop out a comment to highlight it to your audience in Shotcut. And if you have stayed this far, please consider liking and subscribing to see more tutorials like this. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.